Hello everyone, in this video, we will show you how to program your Beam Universal Remote using remote codes. Whether you are setting it up for the first time or reprogramming, we have got easy steps to get you started. Let's jump right in. You can program using Beam app, Beam code list and manually by using remote. Method 1. Program using Beam app. Step 1. Download the app. For iOS, search for Beam Smart Remote in the Apple App Store and download it. For Android, search for Beam Smart Remote in the Google Play Store. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Step 3. Open the app. Launch the Beam Smart Remote app on your device. Step 4. Connect and program your remote. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your smartphone with the Beam remote. Use the app to customize and program your remote to control various devices in your home such as TVs, cable boxes and streaming devices. Method 2. Using code list. Here's given the code list below. You can directly go through it and check the codes. Step 1. Prepare the remote. Press and hold the program button until the power button lights up red. The red indicator light will remain on. Step 2. Select device category. Choose the device you wish to program from the device categories. The red indicator light will blink once. Step 3. Enter the code. Input the 4-digit code from the included list corresponding to your device's category and brand. If a valid code is entered, the red indicator light will turn off and you will hear a long beep. If the red light flashes and remains on with 3 beeps, it indicates an invalid code was entered. In this case, recheck the code list and try again. Step 4. Testing. Test the remote with your device to ensure all buttons function correctly. If some buttons do not work as expected, try a different code from the list. Repeat this process for each additional device you wish to control. Note that the Beam remote comes pre-programmed for many Samsung TVs, which may simplify setup for those devices. Method 3. Program manually. Step 1. Initiate programming. Press and hold the program button on the Beam remote until the power button lights up. Step 2. Select device category. Choose the device you want to program from the device categories. The power button will blink once, indicating that the device category has been selected. Step 3. Proceed with programming. Continue with the programming process by either entering a code from the included list or using the Beam app, depending on your preferences. Step 4. Prepare for programming. Enter 8888 on the Beam remote. You will hear a short beep indicating that the Beam remote is ready to receive a signal from your original remote. Step 5. Position the remotes. Hold both remotes approximately 0.5 to 1 apart from each other. Step 6. Select the button to program. Select and press the button you wish to program on the Beam remote that you want to program. You will hear 3 beep and the Beam's power button will flash continuously until the process is completed. Step 7. Copy from original remote. On your original remote, press and hold the button you want to copy until you hear a long beep and the Beam powers button stops flashing. Step 8. Repeat if necessary. You can copy more buttons by repeating step 3 and 4 for each button you wish to program. Step 9. Exit programming mode. Once you have finished copying buttons, press the program button on the Beam remote to exit programming mode. Important notes. You can copy buttons to the following on your Beam remote: device categories, custom buttons, program button, favorite button and activities buttons. If any copied button do not work as expected, repeat step 1 to 9, ensuring that both remote are very close together during the copying process. It may take a few attempts for successful copying. You can exit at any time by pressing the program button. To delete the button, step 1. Initiate deletion. Press and hold the program button on the Beam remote until the power button lights up. Step 2. Select device category. In the device category, choose the device from which you want to reset or delete the copied button. Step 3. Enter deletion code. Enter 8881 on the remote. You will hear a short beep indicating that the remote is ready for the next step. Step 4. Delete all copied buttons. Press 0 to delete all copied buttons. For the selected device, the LED on the power button will flash twice and you will hear a long beep. confirming that the deletion was successful. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.